Thanks for joining us. As promised, a very hot day in the interior, 100 degrees in Willow Creek. We did have some reports that it was hazy, but not as smoky as it was yesterday, seeing 99 in Orleans and 86 in Gasky. Garberville at 97 degrees. Meanwhile, much cooler here at the coast, sitting in the 60s, as we did see that sunshine coming out later on this afternoon with 67 in Brookings, 69 in Orick, and 64 here in Eureka. Now we are firmly in the fog just outside of our studio, currently sitting at 57 degrees in McKinleyville. It looks like the clouds have made their way over there as well, seeing 87% humidity as well. As we take a look at the satellite and radar picture, not a whole lot going on in California just yet. We do have that high pressure that moved in and warmed us up into those triple digits in some interior areas for today. But what we are watching for the weekend is going to be this system just up to our northwest. That's actually going to move in and hit areas of Washington and Oregon and just clip the north coast. Not expecting to see much in the way of cloud cover or rain, but we will see some cooler temperatures, so expect 80s for Labor Day weekend. So take a look at the 48-hour forecast, seeing clear skies through the day for tomorrow, and we can expect that to continue for the interior through the rest of the weekend as well. Meanwhile, here at the coast, we are expecting to see the fog through the morning hours and possibly lasting a little bit later into the afternoon through the day on Thursday. But as we head into Friday, if you just look up into the corner of your screen, you do see that next system coming through, bringing rain to areas of Washington and northern Oregon. We're not going to see any rain through the day on Friday, with the exception of some drizzle that we could see with the fog. But we will see those cooler temperatures beginning on Friday and going through the whole weekend for the interior. As we take a look at our temperatures, though, for this evening, only dropping down into the 60s for many areas, seeing 60 degrees in Orleans and Willow Creek, 56 in Blue Lake, and 53 in Garberville. Here at the coast, sticking in the mid-50s once again, so that same trend we've been seeing pretty much all week. 54 from Eureka up to Trinidad, 55 in Orick, and 55 in Fortuna as well. But for tomorrow, seeing a little baby cool down ahead of that larger cool down that will be coming for the weekend. 96 in Willow Creek, 98 in Orleans, and 92 in Garberville. And here at the coast, mid-60s once again, with 62 in Eureka, 65 in McKinleyville, and 66 in Brookings for tomorrow. So we take a look at the marine forecast. We do have that small craft advisory that has been issued through Thursday evening. Also, that increased risk for sneaker waves has still been issued through tomorrow as well. Winds will be from the north 10 to 20 knots, and seas from the north 6 feet at 7 seconds, and the south 5 feet at 15 seconds. As we take a look at the next 7 days, staying dry once again, with the exception of the possibility of drizzle within the fog, but seeing 60s here at the coast and staying dry with more sunshine added by next week. Inland areas, though, full sunshine, just a few passing clouds, and temperatures will be cooling to the mid and lower 80s by Sunday, so definitely a nice Labor Day weekend.